Good morning and welcome back to YouTube Sue Miller 1947. And it's time to let the animals out. So there they are. I cannot let the turkeys out because they peck at the car. But there's the chickens. This is, well, you can't now see that rooster right there. He's mean and he pecks me. He doesn't peck me, he jumps, he attacks me with his spurs. Now that horrible noise are the guinea hens. And they want out of here. So, hi. Say hi. All right, so I'm going to let them out. They'll come out one by one. Look at that. She's too fat. So we have to let him out to get thin. Oh boy, here he comes. Gotta watch him. If he sees me distracted, he gets me. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you for coming to YouTube Sue Miller 1947. Bye.